Good morning, everyone. I am Pooja Lenin. Today, I am going to present my topic on goal-based agent and utility-based agent. Let's begin with our topic. An intelligent agent is a computer system or a machine that can observe its surroundings and make decisions on its own. This means the agent collects the information from its surroundings just like humans uses their eyes or ears. Then intelligent agent uses sensors like a camera, microphone, GPS or temperature sensors, etc. After understanding the environments, the agent performs an actions. These actions are performed by the actuators. For some example, a robot uses motors to move and a smart speaker produces sounds through a speaker. This means the agent does not act randomly. It analyzes the information it receives and chooses the best actions to perform its assigned goal. For some common examples, the self-driving cars, the robot vacuum cleaners, and the virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa can be called as an example. As you can see, these are the different types of intelligent agents in artificial intelligence. They include simple reflex agent, model-based reflex agent, goal-based agent, utility-based agent, and learning agent. Today, I will mainly explain the goal-based agent and the utility-based agent, which are the more advanced because they can make intelligent decision based on the goals and utility. Now, let us discuss about the goal-based agent. The agent always have a specific target or a destination. Every action it takes is aimed to reach that specific goal. Before taking an action, the agent checks whether the action will help it achieve its goal. If the answer is yes, it proceeds with the specific actions. The agent looks at different possibilities of actions and chooses one of the successful reaches the goal. Now, let us see about the working steps. The agent first collects the information from its surroundings. It clearly understands what it needs to be achieved. Based on that, the agent thinks of different ways to reach the goal. It chooses one action that can successfully achieve the goal and it performs the selected actions. Let us understand goal-based agent with an example. The example given is Google Map navigation. Suppose I want to travel from my home to my college and the goal is to reach the destination. The Google Map may show route A, route B, and route C. The goal-based agent simply chooses any route that may reaches the destination. It does not necessarily chooses the fastest or the cheapest route. Its major objective is to make sure that I reach the destination. Now, let us discuss about the advantages and the disadvantages. The agent can choose different paths depending on the situation. Instead of acting immediately, it first plans its actions. It can solve problems where multiple actions are possible. Now let us see about the disadvantages. It may examine different options before making a decision. It searches for possible solution. It may take more time, and it only check whether the goal is achieved. It does not decide which successful solution is the best. Now, let us see about the utility-based agent. The agent not only wants to achieve the goal but also wants to achieve it in the best possible way. The utility means the amount of benefit or the satisfactions obtained from a particular actions. The agent compare all the available options and choose one of the best and high benefit option. Now let us see about the working steps. First, it observes the environment, then all the possible actions, then it calculates the utility value of every action, it compares their values, and it selects the actions with the highest utility. Now, let us understand this thing using the food delivery app. The goal is to deliver food to the customer. There are three delivery options: bike, car, or a drone. Each option have a different delivery time and cost. The utility-based compare delivery time, cost, fuel consumption, and customer satisfaction. After comparing all these factors, it selects the option that provides the maximum overall benefit. So, unlikely the goal-based agent, it focuses on only choosing the best solution, not just all successful solution. Now, let us discuss about the advantages. It selects the best possible action. When the condition changes, it can still make the good decision. It considers cost, time, quality, and all the other important factors together to make a best solution. Because it compares all actions, the final decision is usually better. Now let us see about the disadvantages. It is more complex than the goal-based agent. Designing a utility function can be difficult. It also requires more computation, so it needs more processing time and resources. Now let us see about the comparison of the goal-based agent and the utility-based agent. The primary goal of or the focus of the goal-based is that it want to achieve the goal, but as the utility-based agent, it mainly focus on achieving the best possible outcome. The decision criteria: select an actions that achieves the goal, but in the case of utility-based agent, it selects the actions with the highest benefit or maximum utility. Alternative evaluation does not evaluate the quality of different solutions, and the utility based evaluate and compares all the possible alternatives. Complexity: it is simply and utility based it's more complex due to the utility calculation and comparisons. P, goal based is faster and utility based is much slower. Handling your uncertainty: the goal based have less effective in uncertain environments, but in utility case more effective in uncertain environments. The output quality: any solution that achieves the goal is acceptable, but in the case of utility based, the best and the most benefit solution will be accepted as the output. For example, we can choose GPS navigation, maze solving robot, chess program aiming for checkmate for the based environment. The utility based, the self-driving cars, food delivery, app, and Netflix recommendation, etc. This brings me to the end of the presentation. To conclude, the goal-based agent aims to achieve a goal, wherever the utility-based agent aims to achieve the best possible result by comparing different alternatives. Both types of agents are widely used in artificial intelligence applications such as the self-driving cars, navigating system, robotics, and recommendation system. Thank you for listening. I hope you found my presentation informative.